Well, welcome back, everyone. You know, when someone is seriously hurt, the right care close to home makes all the difference. That's why it's great news that Lima Memorial has been verified as a Level 2 trauma center. Now, Dr. Brandon Colvin, LMHS Trauma Program Medical Director, is here to share what this recognition means for patients and families in our communities. So thanks so much for joining us, Doctor.
Thank you for having me, sir.
Yeah, so Dr. Colvin, let's start with the basics. What does it mean for our community, for Lima Memorial, to be a Level 2 trauma center?
Yes, that's a great question. We pride ourselves in being a Level 2 trauma center, and what that allows us to do is provide quick care to the traumatically injured patient, which increases their survival statistically, as well as it allows our hospital as a whole to have better outcomes for emergent things that you may not always think about that are necessarily related to trauma.
Yeah, so I imagine preparing for this kind of verification takes a lot of work. So can you walk us through how your team got ready and what was evaluated?
Yes, sir. So there's a lot of people involved, lots and lots of people who worked very diligently, and without them we couldn't have passed. And not only that, our continued work and our goal of always getting better. So to provide the best care possible, we wind up looking at multiple different parts of the trauma care, including imaging, our blood bank, our specialists, our timeliness to care, our outcomes, as well as just overall patient satisfaction.
Yeah, so I like that goal is always getting better. I like that. So now with this verification, Lima Memorial is also recognized as a surgical quality partner by the American College of Surgeons. So what does that title mean, and why is that significant?
So the American College of Surgeons is the governing body of general surgery, and they have done an extensive amount of work to improve surgical quality in general, which does encompass things such as trauma. So they make you provide a certain level of care, as well as make sure you have the equipment and staff and all the necessary adjuncts to trauma care to make sure the patients get treated appropriately as well as promptly, and that you continue to, again, get better and review your data for your patients.
Yeah, so how can someone learn more about this verification and your trauma program?
Yes, so first of all, if there's any issues, please call 911. We also have a Lima Memorial Hospital Trauma Service line, and it's 419-998-4490. If you want to learn more, there's also some information on our website, as well as the American College of Surgeons has a website, and they go through pretty extensively of what it entails to be a trauma level 2.
All right, fantastic. Well, Doctor, thanks so much for joining us today. I appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
All right, well, don't go away because we have more when we return.